Hello my friend, thank you for your appreciation to our creative channel. Today I will show you how to make Liliput flower. This flower is very tiny. This is from organza ribbon. I hope you like it, and don't forget to press the bell button and put like, subscribe, comment and share my video. And now, let's prepare the material for making the flower. The materials are organza ribbon, scissors, lantern, and needle. The first step, you take a ribbon and you cut the ribbon. This is the width of 2.5 centimeter and the length of 50 centimeter. And then you cut the edges of the ribbon. Okay. You melt. You take a needle, you're going to sew from under the ribbon, not from on up, yeah, no, under. Sewing without thread, and you give the gap of about 2 centimeter. This is the gap, about 2 centimeter. And then this is the eye of needle, and you insert the end of the tip. Like this. And you press the needle down. You put on your hand and you turn. Like this. Okay. And you up the needle, you out the needle like this. This is the end of the tape, and you press down and you come out from the hole. You pull like this and you cut. Then you take a lantern and you melt the edge of the ribbon. And the Liliput flower has been done. Thank you. Bye-bye.